This is what happened. What do you sniff? Drink mix. Feels really good though. We're gonna use like 5 times, so I don't know if it's gonna keep coming, so I might have to sniff more. Yeah, I need more. Hold on. I'm making it on you.